Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the unit off and on to rule out transient faults. This often fixes connectivity without resetting settings. Once done, make sure you have the admin credentials or note defaults because a reset will wipe custom logins. Next, find the small reset pinhole on the back. Use a paperclip, press, and hold. You start the process now to avoid wasted steps later. This is the first actionable move that actually triggers the router restore. You press and hold the reset pin for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LEDs change pattern. That signal means the router accepted the factory command. Once released, allow the modem router to complete its boot sequence. It can take 2 to 3 minutes while it rebuilds firmware files and network settings. Make sure not to unplug it during this phase because interrupted flashes can corrupt the image. After the boot, you will need to log in with defaults and reconfigure. You now log into the router using the default IP and credentials and change the admin password immediately to secure the device. Next, re-enter your ISP or SIM APN settings and restore any port forwarding, static IPs, or custom DNS entries you had. These are why services may have stopped. If internet does not return, check the SIM card seating and APN values, then power cycle once more. If problems persist, contact PLDT support with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.